Brembos. Hello Hennessey Performance fans, welcome to another great video. It is summertime and we're loving it out here. It's full of horsepower. If you don't know me, my name is Alex and we're of course on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track. This truck is super crazy awesome. This is our serial number 001 of the Goliath 800 builds. Right now we're actually doing something a little bit special. We're going to be bedding in our brand new 6-piston Brembo brakes on the front. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to perform at least 20 brake applications using medium deceleration, approximately 60% of maximum. And the important thing is we cannot come to a complete stop. So we've got to keep rolling at all times, and then we've got to wait about 30 seconds in between each slowdown. So we're going to go ahead and get started in doing that. So we got to get up to 60. It doesn't take long for this truck. Wow, this thing is crazy. All right, and then down to 20. Then we're going to go back to 60 and wait for 30 seconds in between. This thing sounds crazy. Okay, so we finished our 60 to 20 stops. Now we got to drive around for 5 minutes to cool everything off. Now we have to do 80 to 20 stops at 80% maximum braking capacity. So let's go ahead and try that now. Alright, so we're going to get to 80 quick, and then we're going to stop quick. 80% braking. Oh my gosh, that is insane. Every time I do this in a big truck like this, I forget how well these Brembos really stop this big, enormous truck. It's very impressive every time I do it. It surprises me every time, but they're just really nice brakes.